13 Love All. This is Jarrell Elbay coming back to you about the website. So I'm over here working with excuse me, I'm over here working with the coding and everything on a local server that I have here at the house and just getting things together. So I want to show you what you see right now is the default page. So I'm just going through little small details about it. You'll see here, it'll have like about the website. You can go check out 13 Sun, my brethren right there. You can also register an account on here via username and email. Agree to the terms, and it'll give you a generated passcode, so you don't have to worry about entering your code at all, your password. So automatically generated towards you. So if you forget, you can also go ahead and submit another email in there, and it will update your email for you and send you another code, but you have to have an account before you do this. So once again, in your login right here, you can register right here. Once more, you can register. So once you log in here with information. I got to still work on the login part. It's not working correctly. But you'll be able to log in here, and you'll see how it said My Account and that you're online now. You can click on My Account, and then it'll bring it to your account information. It'll display like your nationality, title, and a few other things I'm going to put on here. So if you want to update the account, you can do that here too as well. The only thing you can do is update your email. At this moment, I'll work on a little bit more details, but I want to get away from the Albion way of thinking and dealing with names and stuff, because we only deal with titles. And that's the only title that it is. That's a more title, and that's the ancient information there. So once you get familiar with the website, you can do a promulgation. In other words, you can enter your Moorish title, the address where you resign at this moment. That way you can get mailing information. It'd be better to put like a post office box there with the city, zip code, and all that stuff. So Moors are exempt from zip codes. So I'll have more details on this on the website as I go along. So you should be able to select your state, or rather the state where you're at right now at this moment, the city that you live in, so that way you could retrieve the documents or mailing information that comes your way. That way it'll be on file. Here you can also select your Moorish title that you want to be called. Okay. Here you'll have a display on here. For example, if this wasn't located on database, I'll show you what it would look like. Okay, so let's go local host here, my admin. Log in here to the main database, and we're going to go to the file where we have the temples at, and we're going to edit this one right here, and we're going to disable it for right now, but we'll be able to do this on the website in itself. So we want to make sure that we disable. Excuse me. Give me one sec here. Okay. So let's go back here now. You notice that it basically told you that there's no temples on there because it's only dealing with the temples that deal with the nationality cards and stuff. All right. So you will see what I'm talking about here. So let's go ahead and enable that again. And what I want to do here, since I'm here now, I'm going to go ahead and fix something here. It's, this right here is wrong. Oops, not that one. Okay, that needs to be changed. Okay, there. Make this. Give me 1 second, everybody here. Just trying to fix something here. So this will be the 0. And this will be 5. Save. There you go. Now. There you go. Excellent. All right, so let's go back. Let's go back to the stuff here. So spawn body. Okay, back here on the propagation page where you enter your Moorish title and Moorish information, like your mailing things and stuff like that. You can also hover over the image so that way you can see a sample of what the travel card looks like and their nationality cards that the temple creates for you and helps you out with. You'll be able to see the cost of donation, if they're donating or not. If they accept donations, will say no if they're not accepting donations, or yes they are. All right. So down at the bottom down here, you'll have to put in your birth name, your first and last name, your birth date, or the date that you came back to the planet. These are certificates, your birth, married, and death certificates, also contracts. So you fill out these, like say if you're married, you would say yes. If you fill out like a birth certificate, a death certificate, for anybody, you just say yes. If not, you just keep no. All right. So remember, these certificates are nothing but contracts, and if you have one of these on file, they own your ass, and they're going to collect from you. So you got to know how to retrieve this information and get this information out the system. This is why I'm doing this website, so that way I could help you out, and a few other Moors out here that know this information can help you guys out as well. If you have any license on file, like ID card or a driver's license or military license, this for like identification, you got to know how to deal with this. So if you served in the military, like a DD-214, that form in itself is like a certificate, and you should be able to know. You should know how to retrieve that information, file that information, and submit it, and also to get that contract away from you, from the military. And these are the things that I'm working on personally, so that way I will have no part of the system at all. Okay, so like again, we can go back to the member page here one more time. Like I stated, your member page will basically show you your information that you filled out, like the temple that you applied to, any templates that you retrieve from any one of the temples, things like that. So that way you can track yourself and see what you need to do in order to go to the next step. So that way you can feel proud about yourself and knowing what you accomplished. So again, just little details that I'm doing the website for, and just want to show you Moors out there, some 13 love from this divine nega. this universal king, Lion King that is, and let this give you some serious happiness and smiles on those beautiful faces of yours. So let me go ahead and log this out here and go back down there. And you guys have a good one. 13 respect, 13 wisdom, and 13 knowledge. And my brother, 13 son, thank you very much, my brother. And for those brothers and sisters out there that are donating, I thank you very much. So this is for you. It's not just for me, but it's for you and everybody else that want part of this. And guess how much it's going to cost you? It's free. So I'm just asking donations so that way I can get the website together with the database. It's a little expensive dealing with these folks. So I'm going to use those funds, like I said, in order to maintain the website, get the database things together and things like that. Purchase like some different plugins that I can get for the website to make the website look professional and help be supportive towards you. So you all have a good one. 13 love again.